Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remote start GMC Canyon updated. Press lock twice quickly on your key fob to initiate remote start. Ensure the vehicle is in park, doors closed, and hood latched before attempting start. If equipped with a remote start button, press and hold it for 2 seconds, then verify the dash for confirmation. If remote start fails, cycle the key, check fob battery, and try again. Before remote starting, confirm vehicle settings and safety prerequisites. Check the owner's manual for any model-specific steps and enable remote start in vehicle settings if needed. Make sure the battery in your key fob is charged and the vehicle has enough fuel to run. Verify alarm systems are armed and no active service alerts appear. Position vehicle in a ventilated area if starting in a closed space for safety reasons. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while your GMC Canyon warms up, the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for long waits and road trips. It has a crisp display, long battery life, and is lightweight for glove box storage. If you are finding this video truly helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals available. Now let's get back to the video. If the remote start does not activate, try these troubleshooting tips. Reprogram the key fob by following dealership or manual instructions, which often restores functionality. Check for diagnostic trouble codes on the dash before attempting again. Consider replacing a weak key fob battery or cleaning fuse contacts related to the remote start circuit. If problems persist, a dealer or qualified technician can run system diagnostics and update software to resolve deeper issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.